Ryder, sir!
Great! Because we've got a snow emergency rescue on Sunny Slope Island.
Snow! On the tropical island!
Yes! Mr. Porter and Alex are snowed in up on the mountain. We've got to find them and get them down. Robodog, pick up Everest Snowcat and head for Sunny Slope Island.
Nice snowshoes you made, Grandpa. What are we going to play?
A game called Hike Down to the Beach. It's a big open space. The PAW Patrol is sure to find us there.
All right, me first. Look, Grandpa, I'm skiing!
Careful, Alex! Whoa, whoa, whoa. See you later, alligator! Alex, we need to slow down!
I don't think I can, but it's fun!
Uh-oh! We're heading for a cliff!
Goggle vision! Ryder, I can see Alex and Mr. Porter going down the mountain. But it looks like they're sliding right towards a big cliff.
Everest, take your snowcat to the base of that cliff and make a big snow cushion. Fast!
No props! It's nice and soft and just in time. Yay! Alex, Mr. Porter, are you okay? That's fun. Can we do it again? Let's get you two onto the air patroller where it's nice and warm. This is the best frozen camping trip ever.
Thanks to you and the PAW Patrol, Ryder.
You're welcome. Whenever you have strange weather, just yell for help.
Paw Patrol, ready for action, Ryder, sir.
Thanks for getting here so fast, pups. Chickalette's stuck inside Jake's family cooking clock. Now the clock is sliding down the mountain with snowballs rolling after it. Everest, I need you to drive down the mountain and use your grapple to stop the clock. And Rocky, I need you to use your tools to get Chickaletta out of the clock without breaking it. This clock is very special to Jake.
Green means go!
Ryder, we've got our eye on the clock, and it's moving fast. That ride must be so frightening, even for a brave chicken like my Chickaletta.
And those snowballs are catching up. They could crush the clock.
Not on our watch.
Ryder, the clock hand is always at the top. That'll make the door open.
Rocky, when that door opens, try to reach Chickaletta with your claw.
Rock! Claw!
Aha! But those snowballs are still gonna hit Jake's claw.
Not if we get the snowballs to hit each other first. Everest, push the left one. Rocky, the right. Yes, it worked. Now let's see if we can make it through these snow bumps and catch that clock.
Ryder, I can reach it faster on my snowboard. Phew, that was close.
Good job, Everest. Rocky, can you put the hand back on the clock and point it to the top?
Okay, fixed. Now to let out Chickaletta. It's about time you came out of there, Chickaletta.
You're doing great, pups. You're turning this empty lot into a really nice place, like for a little park.
Great! This bird's already found a home here.
Hi, Miss Marjorie. What's up?
Holes have popped up all over my garden, Ryder. You can't step anywhere without falling in one, which is exactly what Maynard and I did.
We're on our way, Miss Marjorie.
I'm so glad to see you.
Where's Maynard?
Over by that tree.
Uh-oh, that tree's gonna tip and trap Maynard. Rocky, get him out quick. Whoa.
Hi, Maynard. Need a paw or a claw?
grab onto the front of my board.
I've got this!
Sky, lower your harness for rubble.
Roger that, Ryder. Still hanging in there, Rebel?
No problem for me.
I'm not sure about Miss Marjorie's house. All that's holding it up is a thin piece of dirt.
But Ryder, how am I supposed to live in a tippy-tilty house?
We'll move it.
Where?
The perfect place. The old lot we were cleaning up.
Oh, that sounds nice.
Take it up, Robo-Dog. Robo-Dog, let's move out. Gently, gently, easy. Set it down, Robo-Dog.
You did it, Pops! You did it! Once we finish blowing up those balloons, we'll be all ready for the feast! Why? Oh, lock down the food!
Look, Auntie Man, a flying turkey!
What? Time to call the Paw Patrol!
Hi, Megudway.
Ryder, Chickaletta is very upset. The bouncy turkey's flown away.
Flown away? I can see it, and something else too. It's what are hunting as kittens. We're on it. No bouncy turkey is too high, no pup is too small.
Ryder, I'm closing in on the turkey.
Super, we're right behind you, Sky.
Ryder, there's a ring at the bottom of the bouncy turkey. I can grab it with my hook and take the turkey back to the ground.
Great, we'll save the kitten first, then the bouncy turkey. Chase, deploy your net.
Ruff, ruff, net! Ryder, look!
Don't use your hook yet, Sky, there's still more kittens.
Now to catch that floating turkey. Ah, ha! Got it!
Nice job, Sky.
Okay, let's go. We don't want to be late for dinner.
Ryder, I want to thank you for, rescuing my kitties.
You're welcome. Whenever you're floating away in a giant turkey, just yelp for help.
Welcome to the Adventure Bay windsurfing race. The winner gets this awesome trophy. On your mark, get set, go! Whoa! The wind picked up. Maybe a little too much.
Look out! All right, now this is more like it!
Stay close, Chickaletta! Ooh!
Incoming! Yes!
That strange extra strong wind came out of nowhere. What is going on out there?
Help!
Oh, we've got to help them. No wind is too strong, no pup is too small.
Suma, I'm really happy to see you. Hi, Katie. Hold on and I'll undizzy you. Life boy! Woo! Thanks, Suma.
Paw Patrol! Oh, thank goodness you're here!
Hi, Megudway. We're here to help.
Hang on tight, Megudway.
Ryder, Rocky, thank you for saving me and my widget Chicky Wicky.
Look at me! I'm roof surfing!
Steady, steady, now!
Whoa!
Oh no! Gotcha!
Thank you.
Amazing flying, Sky.
This is the wildest wind I've ever witnessed.
I wonder where it's coming from.
Check out full episodes of Paw Patrol on Nickelodeon.